animated or lock screen, home screen or widgets, circle style icons, HyperOS status bar support. I use these Chinese themes for custom. Let's bring it into your device. First, download file and video description. I created this file from my device. After downloaded, you can copy or move file to the path. Select latest folder backup. Paste downloaded file into here and replace it. If you don't know how to use this solution, you can watch this video. Global Theme Store. Go to Backup and Restore Features to restore themes. Chinese themes have appeared inside Global Theme Store. Let's custom theme. First, apply this theme. The device looks like this now. You can completely use Rewing for each theme, or otherwise, we will customize it together. Lock style. Use this theme. Status bar. There are two themes that support HyperOS. You can choose one of them to apply. I choose this style. Next to icons. Choose black icons. Favorites, tray. Device look like this. Next, remove clock widget. Press and hold. Use this widget for home screen. Each normal theme can be used separately. All of themes include one file. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.